Hey y'all, this is Mrs. C coming to you with another wig review. I am trying Royal Me that everybody's doing in this cute little box. I just received it the other day. The shipping was really quick. I think about 5 days. And of course I cannot cornrow, as you already know, so I got my cousin Maya do my cornrows for me so that I can wear my wig. So this is Luna. I've already cut the lace off to save some time. She has fake scalp, which is awesome. She has 4 combs, 1 large in the back, 3 across the top, and it comes with the fantastic elastic band. So let's try to put this on. It's 10 inches, comes in natural color. You can get a middle part or side part is available. Fake scalp, elastic band, and 150% density. It's really, really soft hair. I tried it on after I cut the lace off. I wasn't too thrilled with it, but I never ran with hair. But anyway, let's try this. Ugh, that's my sister in the background telling me I'm never thrilled with my hair. And this band is no joke. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was not a pretty face, but anyway. I have to get used to this straight hair. I normally wear curly wigs, so this will take some getting used to. And as you can see, I don't think I need to use the Got To Be Glued spray. At least I didn't have to use it a minute ago. May have to cut off some more lace. What's the deal? Ugh. Okay. Excuse the theatrics, y'all. Okay, so this is it's not the same. There it is. I may have to put a little bit of spray on the front or either cut off a little bit more lace, which I don't really want to do. But basically all I did was cut the lace off and took it out of the box and put it on, and I'm about to use the flat iron on it just to see. Be nice if my sister would come over here and flat iron it for me, but she's over there laughing at me. But that's okay. So it is flat iron flexible, if that's such a thing. I'm not sure how I'm liking this straight hair. I saw one other YouTuber, she did curl it, but the majority of the ladies who are wearing this wig, they just turn the ends under, which doesn't seem to be working as well for me. But anyway, I just basically want you to see how easy it is to wear this wig. Something you can wear every day into the office, which is what I'll probably do at least maybe 2 or 3 days. And I may just crochet my hair after this. But I'm just going to do the ends. My sister's the one that had the long hair, so I'm not good at flat ironing hair.
What makes you think I was flat iron her?
But anyway, you can tuck it behind your ear like that. And just turn it under.
Oh, she cute now. Look at her. Come on, you got it out cool.
So this is Luna. I don't have to do anything to it. I really need to wear this wig tomorrow to my cousin's wedding reception. So I'll work with it some more when I get home. But I really just wanted you to see how easy it is to take it out. I literally took it out of the box, cut the lace off, and put it on. That was pretty much it. And I'm sure you've seen all the other videos, and I just had to have one because I'm not good at dyeing scalps, making fake scalps, and doing all that other stuff, bleaching knots. I don't do that. So this will work for me, and I can wear this every day. My sister's in the back laughing at me. My cousin is too, but that's okay. I'm going to wear this wig tomorrow. I'm going to wear it today with them. But I'm going to get my sister to come flat on the bottom of it. But anyway, I just want to show y'all Luna, and that yes, I went ahead and ordered me one. Thank you, Royal Me, and I will give you credit for this when I post this video, if I post it. Bye, y'all.